So Jen, welcome back to my channel. It's Pamela here. In case you're seeing this face for the very first time, you are highly welcome. So make sure you stay subscribed, okay? Have a good time on my channel. On today's video, I'm teaching you guys how to do the everyday makeup tutorials for beginners. Very editing, okay? If you want your glam to be light, minimal, flawless, then best this video is for you, okay? Without much talk, let's just dive straight into the video. That's not strong with my moisturizer. This moisturizer is from Cosmetics. I've been loving it. I got it this year and I've been loving it. Next week. This is my primer. This is from LA Girl. If you don't have oily skin, you can skip this. But if you have oily skin, you can go ahead and apply. Next up is foundation. And for your everyday look, you need to make sure that your foundation is lightweight, okay? This one I'm using is from L'Oreal. But if it's not lightweight, just make sure you take a little product because you want to make sure that everything is just minimal. You don't want to do too much. There's no need of doing full coverage here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead now to use my dense brush to apply my foundation, okay? Remember I said little product because you don't want to do too much. To make it even more lighter, you go in with your beauty blender, okay, to blend everything properly. Next up is concealer. So I'm using this from LA Girl, the shade Toffee, okay. I'm only going to be applying underneath my eyes just to color correct, that's all. As I'm waiting for my concealer to dry down, I'm going to go ahead now to apply my cream bronzer or cream contour, anyone, okay. So instead of you to apply from here to here, just practice is place on your hand and then use your beauty blender to take the products. That way you will control the amount that you are picking, right? You can see it's just a little product. Don't want to do too much. Your forehead area, the bridge of your nose, your temple, your jaw, and then let's go ahead now to blend out our concealer. This is our cream blush, and you have to make sure that you don't do too much, okay? Just lightweight, just a little. Make it natural if possible, okay? And the remaining on the tip of your nose. I'm going to go ahead now to seal the cream products using my Kiss Beauty Setting Spray. Next is to set my face with powder. So I'm using this Sacha Butter setting powder. Going with my beauty blender and stuff excess. And for this makeup look, you are not going to bake, okay? I'm just setting. Setting my face with my setting powder, I'm going to go ahead now to use a powder that is my shade, okay, for the entire face. Next up is my powder contour, okay, my temple here, and then the bridge of my nose. I'm going to use a small fluffy brush for that. Top is my brows. So for your brows, if you want it to last longer, Always make use of brow thinner or hair wax. Okay, that will make it to last longer. Sorry. Then press it a little bit. That's the hack. Okay, I'm going to go ahead now to set it. Okay, to remove every oily product there. For your brows, you don't want to do too much, right? All you need to do is just use your pencil to fill in. To define the brows a little bit, you're going to go ahead to take your concealer. Take concealer, not concealer. Hey! A little product. Just want to define it a little, so you don't want something that will stress you, okay? Just like this is. Yeah. The other side. Next is lining of my lips. For my lips, I'm going to be using this my cheek palette, and I'm going to be using this nude shade of nude here. To gloss my lips, I'm going to be using this Vaseline lip balm. Okay. Finally, to lock in everything. For this look, I'm going to be using false lashes, so I'm going to be using my mascara to brush out my lashes. I'm going to be using my powder blush to dice things up, okay? Just listen. Then, take this thing works. Same. Take the same works. The same pose. And yeah. And lastly, I'm going to add glow to it, okay? Just a little. This is the final look. Very simple to achieve, okay? So beautiful, so flawless. Hope you find this video very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to your loved ones, okay? I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.